These next two are a little different than 3 and 4. We have a little bit more than the binomial on the bottom. We have x minus 1, but we also have a 3 on bottom of one of the fractions as well. So that just extends our lowest common multiple. Our lowest common multiple is just going to be putting them both of them together, 3 times x minus 1. That's it. You need to multiply by everything by the lowest common multiple. Keep those terms separate. Don't distribute them. Makes it harder on yourself. So you multiply by 3 times x minus 1 on each of the fractions. So we have that. X minus 1's cancel in this first fraction. All you're left with is 3 times 2, so 6. The 3's cancel here, and you're left with x minus 1 times x minus 2. You need to FOIL that. All right, when we FOIL it, we have x squared. We eventually get minus 3x and then plus 2. All right, right side, pretty easy again. Just 4 times 3 left over, and we get 12. So again, you make it to this step, you're good to go. I'm not worried about it from here. So I'm going to combine like terms first, clean each side up as I go. So I have this, subtract 12 because that x squared is not going away. I'm going to have to factor. We have x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Hopefully pretty easy factoring for us. Minus 4 plus 1. Pull out our possible solutions. X equals 4, x equals negative 1. We double check the bottoms of the fractions here. We're close. All right, that negative 1 does not make the bottom 0. Negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2. We're okay. We got close there on that one. Both of these answers check out still. We're good to go. Same deal here with 6 with the lowest common multiple. Now here's where you got to watch yourself. X and x plus 5 are two completely separate terms. So we're treating it like the 3 in the last example. So x times x minus x plus 5 is your lowest common multiple. So we need to multiply everything by those two values. Notice we're probably going to have some foiling involved here again. Let's check it out. Just the x cancels on this first term, so this is where you got to FOIL. FOIL on that first one, we get x squared plus 8x plus 15. We luck out here. We do not need to FOIL, but we have subtraction. Treat this as though it's a negative x. All right, treat that as like it's a negative x. So combine these two, so we distribute a negative x, so it would be negative x squared minus 2x. That's the way I would do it, at least. Right side, x's cancel, but it's just times 1, so it's just x plus 5 left over. Again, you make it here, you're good. Clean things up first. See what happens. Nice thing here is you try and combine the x squareds, they go away. We're good. We end up with 6x plus 15 equals x plus 5. So we end up with a pretty basic linear equation after that. We subtract x, we get 5x, subtract 15, we get negative 10. So therefore x equals negative 2. We double check to see if it works. We don't make the bottom 0 on either fraction, so we're good to go. There's your second example in this video.